As organizations move to build applications using microservices, they are quickly faced with the challenge of managing the complex interactions between instances in highly distributed microservices environments. Traditional service communications in virtualized environments don't align with the requirements of the microservices world, and there is some rethinking needed to architect the solution properly. Managing these complex service interactions becomes one more thing that app developers have to spend valuable time coding. Now, developers have to write communications management logic into every service. Often, they also have to add an additional configuration server to manage this logic as well. Then, they need dynamic routing to manage traffic flow to services. Handling service migrations and upgrades introduces additional dynamic traffic routing requirements, which in turn needs yet more logic to go into the application code. All these activities add complexity and dependency issues to the codebase, taking precious time away from the developer who should be focused on delivering business value, writing application code. Red Hat OpenShift Service Mesh brings behavioral insight and operational control to the service communications and traffic. It provides a consistent framework for connecting, securing, and monitoring containerized applications inside OpenShift. Built on the open-source Istio project, Service Mesh provides a control plane and infrastructure that transparently enables these traffic management capabilities without requiring developers to make changes to their application code. With Service Mesh, these traffic management policies are language agnostic, making it even easier to develop and run distributed architectures, whether they are monoliths, mini, or microservices. Red Hat OpenShift Service Mesh also adds tracing and visualization to augment Istio's capabilities and provide a greater understanding of what's happening in and across applications as they're running. Tracing tracks a single request as it makes its way between different application components and even inside a single service, providing insight into the entire request process from start to finish. Visualization shows how communication pathways connect various components, how they're being managed by the service mesh, and how traffic is flowing in near real time. With native service mesh capabilities on the Red Hat OpenShift container platform, organizations gain a uniform, policy-driven way of managing communications logic and traffic, while developers are free to focus on actually developing applications that drive value for the business. Learn more about Red Hat OpenShift and OpenShift Service Mesh. Get started today.